Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Unbound Resin climbing man wall sculptures, perfect for adding bold art to any space. These hand-finished pieces create a striking climbing illusion with easy, single-peg installation for quick setup. Choose from various postures and sizes, including rock climbers and rope climbers with dynamic designs and smooth lines. Crafted for durability, they work well in homes, offices, stairways, and foyers, making any wall a conversation starter. Symbolizing courage and adventure, these sculptures inspire and spark meaningful discussions. Elevate your decor with this unique blend of contemporary style and powerful storytelling. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.